I'm a woman who likes options, all 1,500 of them. And with the new headband wig, I can become a new woman every day of the week. My first wig got this one right. The headband wig is going to change the game and up the sledge to a whole new level. So we have to talk about this. So my first wig went and upgraded their packaging, so it's more of this luxurious unboxing experience. And you guys, when I tell you you're in for a treat, the packaging, the products, everything is just upgraded. Now this is the Silky textured 20-inch curly headband wig, okay? All in her glory, honey. It's gorgeous. You guys can see there's a headband attachment at the very front of the wig. And again, this is the real deal. Don't worry, I'm going to get you guys all the way together and show you exactly how you can slay. I'll have full details on the specs in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Now, you guys know I'm the true 4C natural hair queen, so I wanted to have a little bit of a conversation with my hair, okay? I took the front portion of my hair and sort of braided it into, you know, a little situation, and I'm going to tuck it in the wig cap along with the rest of the braids at the back because I have Meek Millie's back there, and we're going to make this work. And I also needed to have a conversation with these edges, so I went in with the Braid Barbie Drip Firm Hold Edge Control. This is serious business. I'll have the links below. And I'm also using the Ebin New York Tinted Edge Control. So you know what I'm saying, how you like to do your edges is all up to you. I first went in with the Ebin New York Edge Control because it has a tint and it just allows the hairline to look a bit more full. And this is a great tip for those who have like more fine 4C natural hair towards the hairline, and it gets thicker as you move towards the crown. I see you, sis. This headband wig is still for you. Even if you may be experiencing thinning towards your hairline or you are looking for an alternative to give your edges a rest, this is still for you. So don't think you don't have options, because you do. So I'm just using the duo edge brush that they sent with the package. Yes, you could purchase this on their website, so definitely make sure you peruse and get familiar. And of course, I'm going to have a coupon code. You guys can get money off your order, so check the description box and save some coins where need be. So after slicking everything down, I just let it set for about 10 to 15 minutes. So there is a piece of plastic that covers the Velcro end of one of the pieces of the headband, and this is so that it does not stick to the hair while it is packaged. Now you guys see there are 3 combs that span the left, center, and the right side, and there's an additional comb at the nape along with adjustable straps. Now just put it on as you normally would. You may want to use the combs to anchor it to your head and then position the nape comb. I highly recommend making sure that you anchor it. I don't want to use the center comb, so I use the left and right combs. But again, because the Velcro sticks to the hair, you want to pin the hair up if you know, are going to style it, or just to fasten the Velcro pieces together. And what I like about the headband, it's elastic, it's a little bit stretchy, so you can adjust the tightness. And of course, you want to make sure that it's not rubbing too much against the nape. Protect your hair at all costs, because this can truly be a very protective style if you let it. Now you guys can see I'm already playing with the hair, and I wanted to first go in and add a bit of hair oil. So this is one of my favorite oils to use on curly hair specifically. I have it linked in the description box, but I just wanted to apply a nice light layer. Now you know it wouldn't be a tastePINK tutorial if I didn't give you volume, okay, and texture. So I'm definitely going to go in and volumize her to the fullest. Do you like, you know, your volume moderate, kind of low, not too much density, or do you really like to maximize the volume and, you know, distress the curls a little bit? I wish that there was a little bit more density towards the very top of the cap of this unit. I felt like it could have had just a bit more. I was trying to fluff it up, if you guys see. And again, I'm using the combs on the left and right sides, not the comb at the center, because I do not want to scrape my crown. Now they sent over some beautiful headbands. Now this one is gorgeous, and I wanted to give you guys a bit of style inspiration. So if you have a particular style that you are feeling in this video and you can envision yourself slaying it, please go right ahead. You have so many different options throughout the week. You could become a new person every day. Don't limit yourself. This is a great way to step it up. I think, you know, the whole headband wig with human hair, it makes it so much more of a luxe vibe. Now I was feeling it, okay? I was, you know, looking in the mirror, trying to give you guys looks, give you inspiration. This side ponytail is a big thing, very, very cute and low maintenance. And one thing I wanted to say, they sent over this gold headband, which is beautiful, but the satin ribbon was positioned a little too far back. So I actually went in and adjusted it because I had a hot glue gun. So that is one thing that I hope that my first wig fixes, because this headband was it. Once I got it together, I loved it. And just stay tuned to see how I style it a little bit later. And so if you guys have your own hot glue gun, trust me, just pull the fabric a little bit closer to the edge so the black band doesn't show. That was the only thing that was a little bit irritating. I really enjoyed this headband and just didn't want to have to deal with that. But I know my first wig is on their way to fixing this in no time. So definitely, if you like it, make a note in your order. Now on to the next headband. This one is a little bit more playful, and I think this is more everyday wear. You can stretch it so that it covers the elastic band on the unit, and I really like this. I was again playing around with styles, giving you guys more like this high ponytail, kind of like the fine apple. Again, if you have head wraps, this would be a great way to play up your look, okay? And let's say you like more of like the half up, half down. Again, you have those options. I'm just showing you guys that this is something you want to get your hands on. If you're looking to switch up your look, if you're looking to kind of save money and you want versatility and you don't want to have to buy a different wig for every sleigh, think about it. And you're also giving your hairline a rest, because again, you can reposition the headband so that it lays closer to the edge of your hairline so that it's not even showing. But I was feeling a half up, half down. It was gorgeous. But get a little bit more into the sleigh. Make sure you check the description box. I have more details along with the coupon code listed below. And definitely subscribe if you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up. Share with your homeboys and your homegirls. Kiki with me in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. And I hope I see you in the next one. Thank you.